and take me home. She rolled off the boat in '05, left-hand driving proud. 60 brake horsepower from a 1.2, but man, she sings out loud. 5 on the floor, you grab that stick, feel the road in your hand. Rolling through the gears with a grin, best little goat in the land. White paint gleaming yellow and gray inside, tall roof, skinny hips, 6'4", can sit with pride. City motor, normal steer, she turns on a dime. Aircon blowing Arctic when the island sun starts to climb. Panda, little white panda, Billy goat in the snow. She'll climb any mountain, you know. Panda, 4x4 panda, 60 horses but a heart of gold. This panda never gets old. White panda, go anywhere panda, rebuilding tough, been loved enough, ready for the island, let's roll. Timing belt brand new, 25, water pumping all the seals, struts, shocks, brakes and bushings, 1,000 spin on brand new wheels. Fresh rotors, fresh pads, fresh fluids, fresh alignment too. Every boat's been kissed and blessed, this panda's good as new. Snow on the Malahat, she just laughs and locks the diff. Narrow logging road slips through like a mountain cliff. Electric windows dropping, fog lamps cut the night. Turn the key